crafty friends, this is Pam with PS I Love You Crafts. If this is your first time here, welcome, and I hope that you'll subscribe. Today I have an easy centerpiece that you can make for parties or wedding, or you could even make it for home decor, but this is something that's easy to make a lot of these and then store them away and bring them out for another occasion. So let's get started. You will need a glass from the dollar store. And these are clear marbles. You can also buy these in colors. You could also get stones if you wanted a more rustic look, or seashells. You can get the flat pebbles. These are completely round, but you can also get the flat ones. And you're going to need a bush of flowers or a pick of flowers. You want something, if you have this size vase or this size container, you want something that's kind of compact. You don't want one of the long bushy ones because it'll be too top heavy. And then you want some shorter picks of flowers. This was originally a larger bush and I cut these down to size, and you want these to match your event or your decor. So I took this flower arrangement and it had a long stem about that long on it. And it actually looked like something you could carry as a bouquet in a wedding. And my husband cut the end of these off. He was able to use a large pair of wire cutters to cut them off, but if that doesn't work, or if you don't have a pair, my son-in-law used a Sawzall and he was able to cut them off, and they came off really quickly. So the first thing you're going to do is put your flowers down into your container. And the pebbles are going to hold it in place. And you're going to take your shorter stems and you're just going to fill in any place to add a little bit of color, just in between the other flowers. You can use as many or as few as you want. Put one over here. Let's see, add a little bit of color here. You could also add a bow. You could add picks, you know, the kind of picks that have butterflies or dragonflies on them. Let's see. One more right in the back. And then I think that's enough. But you can see how quickly this arrangement went together. And for my daughter's wedding, she had this teal color, which was difficult to match. So I added it to the white, and she really liked them. And the tables had white tablecloths, teal runners down the center that had a little bit of glitter and sparkle to them, and then she had mirrors, and these sat on top of the mirrors with fairy lights and twinkle lights and rhinestone lights. So it was they turned out to be really pretty. And then afterwards we packed these up, and I mean, they go in a box really easily. I just take the top part off. I put the containers in one box, and I put the flowers in another box. They don't take up too much room. And they've been in my garage, and I've already lent them out to 3 other people who have taken my teal flowers out, and then they add the colors that they want. And they said that it was very quick and inexpensive. So this is something that you could use again. And you know, one was for an 80th birthday party. They added a little bit of lavender. My daughter is now expecting a baby girl, and we're going to have a baby shower at the end of April. So I'm going to stick pale pink flowers in, and she wants baby elephants, so I'll probably cut some baby elephants on, or welcome baby signs in maybe some glitter or something like that on the Cricut, and then stick those picks in there. So this is something really super easy that you can put together, you know, when you're running short on money, you need something budget friendly, you need something quick, and you need something easy. So I hope that you find this video helpful, and I hope that you will give it a thumbs up, and I hope that you'll subscribe. Thanks for watching.